In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix media offline in Davinci Resolve. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Media offline comes up when your media is not in the folder that it was when you imported it. So what you're going to need to do is make sure that it is in the correct folder. For example, this clip is in this folder. But if I were to move it to OBS recordings, it is going to say media offline. Now, this is indeed a problem, so what we're going to need to do is just go back to that folder, go to where it was moved, and then move it back to the folder that you imported it from. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.